What's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo, Smoking Metal Car Fun, back with another video. I look like a grizzly bear right now. Today I'm gonna go ahead and being as though I done drove the Magnum a couple times, just to see how it was gonna react with the new computer. So being as though the new computer so far is operating 100%, we are going to go ahead and reinstall the pedal box so we can see how it'll drive now without the lightning bolt, without it being in limp mode. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall this. I know I did an install video on it, so I'm just going to basically, and as you can see, I still got it fresh in the box. I had to take it out so that way when I went to the shop, they had to do work on my car. It wasn't no need for it to be hooked up. So now I'm going to reinstall my pedal box. And then I'll let y'all know exactly how I really like it, But Hemi Lifton came out with the new pedal box. So therefore, I'm definitely going to be getting in touch with Paul about that one because I actually like that one from the features that he show in his videos. So I'm definitely going to go and cop that one. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and have some fun with this one. And when I get the other one, you never know. We might go ahead and do a giveaway on this one, being as though I'm going to get a new one. So let's go ahead, stop talking, running my mouth, and let me go ahead and get in this video. And I'll get back with y'all in a second. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll get the solid white button for the program. Then you press the plus and the minus sign together for 3 seconds, and then you hold it, and this is what you get. That's what you get. Okay, then we slowly press the pedal to the floor, accelerator to the floor. Hold that. Then your button is gonna flash green. Program button blinking green. Blinking white. Hold that for 3 seconds. Then the pedal box is programmed. So that's it so far. Now we're getting to the setting. I want the new one. That's the one I want. I want the new one. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this one for the moment, being as though we ain't had it that long. Just got it, and they came out with a new one. But that's cool. I like that new one better. So give me a second, and we're gonna go ahead and get this good old code. On normal mode, where it's basically, regular stop. Right now, we're gonna go get gas, and then we'll get back to the next level. Right now, we're just gonna run and go get some petrol. How this hood so that way extra security. So yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna run in here, get some fuel for her, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all because she definitely needs some petrol. We getting ready to put it on the street.
City.
I mean, sorry. So, yeah, we gonna, if we don't get hit first. Cool. And it has a couple settings.
Might not have to clear up. It's all blurry out there. Look. It's all blurry. On. Okay. Nope, that didn't. It helped a little bit. I don't even want to clear up.
Go up one.
That didn't go up, did it? Oh, it didn't. Woo! Okay.
We actually gonna go ahead and put it on sport. Take it up.
Did a sport for a little bit there. You just stopped.
One.
Oh, I see. Number one.
has a lot more pull than what she used to. Yeah, see, from a standstill, she had a nice little kick. Now, I ain't saying she getting ready to sit out here and burn no wheels. We gonna get to that eventually. You know, right now, we still work in progress. Just wanted to see how she was gonna act, how she was gonna respond to the pedal box and the Thornton chip that I put in. So far, I like it. Sound pretty good. I have no complaints. We still got a ways to go with her. So, you see I got my pedal box holder right here so I can up, down, go from there, basically reset, you know, go to each one, which I had this programmed all the way up to 3. The Sport Plus, I have it programmed up to 3. Sport, I have it all the way up to 3. And then City, you know, I basically just have it up at 1 right now. So, but I like it. I said this before in my previous video that I've done before about the pedal box. And now that I done got the computer done, she definitely responds a lot more. Plus, we have the 40 series Flowmasters in the back, quad tips. So she opened up a lot more, but we got more to go, more to come. So just stay with the build. I'm bringing her back. I had her for 10 years. It's time for her to be brought back to life now, you know. She done a lot. She done saved my wife on many occasions with the Escalades, you know. So all I can say is rock with your boy. Stay tuned. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. I'm out. Peace.